Hello, my name is Sarah.
And this is Emmy.
And I recently followed the Royalty Soap's Creative Academy tutorial and learned how to make cold process soap.
And then I saw my family, and this is all I have left of my 60 bars.
It's such a fun hobby, I just had to make more. I placed an order with Brambleberry for more fragrances and more lye, which was mainly what I was out of. I'm starting off with a Piña Colada soap, which is especially funny if you know that I'm allergic to pretty much everything in a Piña Colada. But it smells delicious, so let's get started. I started by making pink flamingo embeds for the top. This is oatmeal melt and pour from Brambleberry. I chopped it into small pieces for melting. I was going for about 4 ounces, which I got exactly. I melted it in the microwave, stirring occasionally. I added red to the white soap to make it pink, and mixed it thoroughly. Sort of. I found this adorable flamingo mold while thrifting, and poured the melt and pour in. I used rubbing alcohol to pop the bubbles, and I set it aside to cool. Also, it was raining and I left the garage door open. And yes, I did kind of get caught in the rain while making Piña Colada soap. This time I'm trying Brambleberry's Lots of Lather recipe. It has olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, and castor oil. I'm still learning, so I don't know how to formulate my own recipes yet. Have I mentioned that this is my 7th soap ever? I made a big mess.
That is an understatement. I used some of my measured olive oil to pre-disperse the mica. I learned my lesson last time when I used mineral-heavy tap water, so now I'm using distilled water. I put an unknown amount of titanium dioxide in the water and mixed. I mixed 2 turquoise colors from blue and green, one more pigmented than the other, also without measurements. I like to live dangerously. I mixed these up and made an executive decision that I was trying to make too many colors, so I scrapped one. I added a tiny amount of brown mica and gold sparkle to the last oil to make the sand. I mixed all of my oils together and I'm ready for saponification! This is my attempt to remind myself to use sodium lactate. That failed.
Okay, my fiance's home.
Well, this is my little saponifying sewer.
I was known as a soap lady at the reunion.
This is my lye solution. Watch this link video for lye safety, not mine.
Still have a bubble problem, I see. Oh my gosh, I forgot my fragrance oil.
Okay, I got the fragrance oil, but did I use it?
Okay, I'm gonna split it into sand and 2 waters and a little bit of white. I want to do the sand first. Dump that in. Oh, I'm supposed to put the fragrance oil in first. And the sodium lactate. Oh no. Oops.
But at least I remembered to put in the poppy seeds. That's one thing I remembered. Adding some white to the sand since this fragrance oil discolors slightly. And then my camera battery died, which gave me a flashback to the last time I let soap batter sit and it got way too thick. Actually adding the fragrance oil now and it smells delicious. At this point I think we're all humming that song that I can't use on YouTube. You know, the one about pina coladas. I poured the sand in and gave it a little bit of texture.
I need to put some fragrance oil in these guys. Making a huge mess.
Like it's my full-time job. I mixed these colors by hand because I didn't want the soap to get any thicker.
I do actually have a plan here. I'm just not sure it's a very good plan. That was definitely not enough white, but it's gonna have to be good enough for now. Okay, so I want to do a bit of a drop swirl. Part of the lighter blue. a drop swirl. These two, partially. Finish off with some white wave tops. Now, the embeds I made earlier. Stick them in the wave. Done! It has been 20 hours since I made the soap. So I'm gonna try and unmold it now. Also, my hair is wet because we live in a lake and it's a nice day out. It's a little sticky, so I think I'm gonna let it sit for a few more hours. It looks really good though. Round 2, my hair is now dry. It's a few more hours later and I just poked it and it was not squishy anymore, so time to cut. Ta-da! That looks pretty good. Like a little flamingo on top. That's pretty adorable.
I continued cutting the rest of the bars and being super excited about how well these came out.
These are so adorable. I love how they came out. I mean, you can sort of see there's two different colors of ocean and the sand, the little speckles, and then the flamingo surfing the wave. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The Piña Colada soaps are done. They'll be available in my shop never because I don't sell soap. I'm just learning how to craft it. Look how adorable it is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Next, I'll probably come out with an actual sewing video because that's mainly what I do. But after that, I have a really cute idea. It's gonna be a lemon bar soap, probably. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas, so you know, we'll see what I end up making next. That was really fun. Bye, everybody.